from who else? The hip hop analyst. So real quick, let's talk about the Roots Picnic featuring Jay-Z. Oh my God. First of all, he did an ill freestyle in the beginning of the concert, dissing everybody. From Nicki Minaj to Drake to Kanye to Dash. Go check that out. Go look that up. Please go look that up. Then I love, he did a reunion with the whole Rockefeller State Property, Beanie Siegel, PD Crack, Bleak, all came out. They killed it. Go check that out. Go look it up. Jay-Z, the Roots Picnic, is on YouTube right now. It's fire. Go check it out. And also, the diss, disgusting. He dissed a lot of people. Go check that out, man. That's what I'm here for, giving you knowledge and keep you in tune with the culture. Peace.